but I would say it's an underwhelming budget.
I think this budget should be called Pradhan Mantri Sarkar Bachao Yojana.
Overwhelming budget. I didn't hear anything about the key issues facing the common people of our country. There was no mention of Manrega. There was no mention or insufficient mention of any steps taken to improve the income of the ordinary person. We have seen far too little from the government when it comes to taking care of the severe income disparities in this country. Job creation, there was a token gesture made towards that, but unfortunately very short on specifics. And I personally welcome only one provision, which is this abolition of the tax on angel investors. I myself had recommended it to Shri Arun Jaitley more than 5 years ago. Finally it has happened. I'm glad that's being done. We must have more investment coming in to generate more jobs. But otherwise I find very little in terms of any good creative ideas when it comes to generating more jobs in our economy and more opportunities for young people and for those at the bottom of the pyramid to improve their incomes. We will have to study the budget in much more detail.
This budget has more or less copied the Congress Constitution, Congress Manifesto, and the main important thing is about the Yuva Nidhi, which Rahul Gandhi ji has in the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, has evolved it. And he promised that through the apprenticeship for the first year of the youngsters who are completing, we will give 10 crore jobs to those youngsters with a 8,500 rupees monthly stipend. This government has announced it as 5,000 rupees per youngster who is going to be in the apprenticeship. This shows that this government has copied the ideas of Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji.
अब मान लीजिए सरकार बचानी है तो अच्छी बात है कि बिहार को, आंध्र प्रदेश को कुछ विशेष पैकेज या विशेष योजनाओं से जोड़ा गया है। लेकिन उत्तर प्रदेश जैसा प्रदेश जो प्रधानमंत्री देता है, क्या वहाँ के किसान के लिए कुछ बड़े फैसले हैं? किसान की फसल की पैदावार, उसकी कीमत के लिए क्या कोई इंतजाम है? कहने को तो याद होगा आप सबको कि पिछली बार कहा था कि मंडी और एग्रीकल्चर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए स्ट्रेंथन करने के लिए लाखों करोड़ रुपए हैं। अगर वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर स्ट्रेंथन हुआ था तो इसका मतलब किसान की आय दोगुनी होनी चाहिए या किसान की आय बढ़नी चाहिए थी, वो तो नहीं बढ़ी। तो किसान के साथ संकट पैदा किया इन्होंने, बेरोजगारी इन्होंने बढ़ाई है। 10 साल में जो इतनी बेरोजगारी बढ़ गई उसको कैसे कम करें, और वो भी आधी अधूरी नौकरी से। आप 2 साल की, 1 साल की या कुछ ट्रेनिंग करा करके नौकरी या रोजगार का सपना दिखा रहे हैं।
you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.